How to fix Discord camera loud in forever. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this, then go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.